Ooh, this looks pretty. I should go bring this to Red. Hey, Red. What is it, Chuck? Look what I found. Wait, isn't that? No way. What is it? It's one of those emeralds from Sonic's World. Wait. It is. What's these emeralds called? It's just. Hey, Bomb. Yes. You know what this emerald from Sonic's World is called? Oh, yes. It's a Chaos Emerald. What's a Chaos Emerald? Oh, it's a very powerful gem. In the wrong hands, people can use it for evil. Wait, if Sonic has all seven of these emeralds, he could probably use them for good. Yes, that's what he always does. Wait, is there another Sonic out there? I think there is. It looks like Sonic's super form, but inside of his eyes looks swirly, and he has a mouth full of fangs. I think he's probably on the hunt for these emeralds. One of these emeralds.